Hello everyone, I'm Jack, Hitec laser engineer. Today I will teach you how to make a photograph on stainless steel. First, open the software. Okay, here, drop import picture. Desktop, this picture. BMP picture is best. Open. Center. And here you can change the size. This is the picture. Check the picture. And here, fix the DPI. DPI is like the precision. DPI in normal you can set from 400 to 2000. DPI set bigger, it will mark more precision. Here we set 1000 is okay. X and Y 1000. And here invert, gray choose, laser choose, grid choose, drill mode choose. Here fix DPI choose. Here drill mode is very important. You must choose this. This, if you set big, the point will mark long time. We set 0.1. In normal here you can set from 0.01 to 0.4. It depends the different material to change the different time. 0.1. And here extend, choose. Here lighten. This is very important, brightness and contrast. Different material, the brightness and contrast have different setting. Okay, then here choose pen number 0, false. Max speed 1500. Frequency is important, 200. Frequency set bigger, the mark precision will high. Power set 15. Pulse waves no need to change. Red